Hi, everybody. I'm Richard Stiennon, and with me is Brad LaPorte, two former Gartner analysts, and we are digging into the entire space of cloud security. Hey, Brad, how's it going?
Doing great. Thanks for having me.
Brad, for this demo forum that we're pulling together, where we're going to basically get all these vendors to demo their products in a rich video environment where you can actually see how this stuff works. What just describe the process we went through to come up with these categorizations.
Yeah, I'll start off by saying it's really just the cloud security space has been growing astronomically. I mean, Gartner has identified that it's rapidly becoming a multi-billion dollar market. It's over 41% in terms of growth, and the overall spending is just through the roof. And it's still very, very siloed across many different areas, specifically across governance, cloud risk management, operations and monitoring across all the different aspects that you could have from a truly cloud native infrastructure to having a platform as a service and infrastructure as a service and a software as a service and everywhere in between, and all these different hybrid environments where you're operating, a legacy on-premise infrastructure and having that across the actual cloud infrastructure as well. And you have private and public cloud, all these different aspects, and there's different wants and needs and reasons why you would end up going with different solutions, and it really highlights all of these different silos. So I've you talk to 10 different people and you get 10 different answers around what these acronyms actually mean, why you would go with these elements and the different sequences. So what we ended up doing was implementing really a mind map to try and categorize all the confetti that's in this space, because it is very, very confusing to navigate. And it's just been great to be part of this process to work with the individual the vendors and work through and see their point of view and how that extrapolates across the larger market.
Yeah, if you're like me and practically every industry analyst I know, we just got this motivation to pigeonhole a vendor when we hear about, what do you do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're like these other ones. And it's just the way our minds work. Therefore, mind map is a great way to pull that all together.
Yeah, exactly. And there's even areas where you have, let's take CNAP. CNAP is cloud workload protection and cloud security posture management together, working in unison across, the whole governance spectrum and all the different, bells and whistles that come with those different elements. But there's use cases why you would have a workload protection, and there's use cases why you would just have security posture management. So it's really unique to that organization, that business. There's also budget considerations and different reasons why you would want, say, a best-of-breed solution versus, basically more of a broad portfolio or platform type solution that gets into other different areas based off the core use cases you're trying to address with your unique environment.
Great. Looking forward to doing a deep dive into these categories and getting all these amazing demos in place.
It's going to be a wild ride. Buckle up.